Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from the Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing, review, and test of this Ligency RGB IC LED light strip. Here is a cord that you'll go ahead and plug in here. Nice and simple, just like that. And then you can plug this into the wall to power up the strip. You've got a button on here. You can go ahead and control the lights with that. You can also control the lights from your phone. There's an app download right here for Android and iOS. So as you can see, this is quite thick. Very thick material compared to previous LED strips that I have tested. As you can see on my phone, I have just added the neon flow. Those are the lights. It was pretty simple. I just turned on my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowed location access to speed up the process, and now they are connected to my phone. As you can see here, it's pretty simple to change the color. Pick whichever one you like. And it has a wide range. It's actually millions of colors because it uses the entire RGB spectrum. They also have color card here and then combination mode. So if you can see, there is actually like blue on the left, there's some yellow, green, red, and that's the nice thing with the IC technology. As you can see, it actually flashes to the music rhythm here. And any song that you have playing on your phone, it'll automatically recognize that. Check this out, they actually have color schemes here. So I just turned on Glacier Express, you can see it moving in the background. Here's Iceland Blue. Fireworks at Sea. It's just all different kinds of color options, and you can basically manipulate these lights on your wall to create shapes, to create different patterns. So here's that mode button once again. If you tap it once, switches modes, and as you can see, it's got some slow red light mode here. Here's just all kinds of lights. There's just different kinds of modes. If you don't want to actually use your phone, you can do it straight from the remote here. I can put an S here, and then you would use clips that use 2 Phillips head screws each to attach that onto your wall. I prefer a less permanent attachment right now, so I'm going to use these clips, and there's 5 of them available, and they come with 5 adhesive little things there. And I'm going to go ahead and attach this around the rim of this desk. The nice thing is, if you want to cut this strip, you can go ahead and do so. And it still works. This allows me to cut it right to length to fit on the side of my desk. As you can see there, it's just beautiful. That about wraps up this video. I highly recommend this light strip from Ligency. It's got nice protection, it's highly durable, and the sync modes, the music modes are very nice as well. Thanks for watching.